Hello, one and all. Myself, Dr. Vishnupriya Kalekar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my fourth video, and now, after so many requests, thank you for requesting me to do this video. This is about the post COVID effects and post COVID diet, what to do, what not to do. Patyam, in simple word, in according to Ayurveda. So, the thing is like, um, during this phase, I mean after first wave and second wave, now the post covid is playing post covid effects are playing very vital role. That is, they are at high peaks. That effects are like, in general, I can mention as a severe weakness and severe feeling of anxiety, panic attacks. Even we are observing some people are still having fluctuations of temperature. They are having cough, some congestions, some unknown reasonly they are unknown reasons are making them feel very dull, depressed also. This is one kind of phase. And even some are facing uh, high blood sugar values, autoimmune disorders also are seen. Reason, first let us know what is the reason behind this. So first of all, when you are having an infection means invasion of any microorganism. Invasion means entry of any microorganism, like it may be bacterial, fungal, viral, especially any microorganism. During that phase, every human body will be affected. After getting affected, it will diminish the metabolism. The basic thing will happen there. So during this phase, what will happen? The system will completely, it will not act according to this normalcy. The things will be in pathological. I need not to explain all those things, but the thing is like, because of diminishing of the metabolism, the diet is very essential during the post COVID phase. Diet will be, some people are asking me, ma'am, can we use a high protein diet, or shall we consume this one, those extracts, these extracts, supplements? No. And my answer is no for that. Because I told you that is diminished, that is less, lowering of the metabolism. Metabolism will be lowered in this phase. So what you can do, consuming lukewarm water. Lukewarm water, it shouldn't, you shouldn't think that it should be always hot. It's not like that. It should be, it can be heated and cooled. You can consume like that also. And I mentioned in the previous video also, Shonti Dhanyambi Paniyam. Shonti Dhanyambi Paniyam, again I'll mention how to prepare. 1.5 liter water. During the boiling stage, add 4 pinches of the Shonti, 5 and 8 pinches of Dhania, and just then put off your stove. That's all. This is the thing. What this will do, I mentioned, like I mentioned in my video, in the early previous video. Again, I'm telling you, it will help to activate your metabolism. Okay, next is the, some people are telling protein diet. Coming to the protein diet. No. Never go for protein diets, especially don't consume egg. Okay, egg. And we say gongura in Telugu. That one, and curd. Okay, these three. In general, so many are there, but in general, people use na. That's the reason I'm telling. It shouldn't be consumed even during the COVID phase, and even after the passing out from the phase that is post COVID also. And coming to the next thing, uh, metabolism. This diet, in what way it can be improved? Not by using any kind of juices, extracts. So don't use any kind of juices. Like some people are using Giloy juice, some people are using Amla juice. No. Start with soup form. Anything soup form is important, because this is and one more thing. This is a season where we see a lot much of changes in our body. A complete changes will take place, because before was Grishma Rutu, that is summer season. Now it is completely slowing down, and our metabolism will be lower down. So consumption of anything, and even we are seeing consumption of any food which is lukewarm, which is hot enough to consume, is very better, very best. And rice soup is very preferable. Rice soup, you can prepare it in general, or any kind of soups, but see, it shouldn't be very thick in form. And consume the food in less quantity. Little you can consume, adding some amount of any appetizers or any flavoring agents like pepper, shonti powder, anything like that, because that will act in appetizing and even flavoring too. Next thing, regarding the post COVID, some people even are facing with high blood sugar values. Actually, let me tell you, without removing the or eradicating the infection from the body, it's very difficult to control the blood sugar level values. It is not because of the infections, but it, as you have seen in the everywhere, as everywhere it's mentioned, it is seen everywhere. Steroidal use cost so. Okay, let us not discuss about that. It's out of my way. So the thing is like steroidal use is causing high blood sugar values and all. So for that also, body should be detoxed. Detoxed can't be using. Some people use lot much of lemon and all during the face. No, don't use any kind of lemons and all. As I told you, you can use the shonti dhanyambu can be done, and you can do one more thing. You can just sit in, if sunny, you can just sit there, it will be helpful. If not, no problem. Then things like you can follow simple like pranayama and all to improve your breathing improvement. And weakness, general weakness, now people are very much ready to go and consume. People are like, ashwagandha shall I consume, shall I use guduchi, they're asking me in general. But that is not the way. First, as I mentioned, metabolism to be cleared and follow a proper Ayurvedic doctor and should know the reason behind it. Then the things will be cleared out slowly. And it is not a single day or some 5 days, 6 days. Infection should be eradicated only. Then only the things will be completely in a control. This is the basic thing. Next thing I would like to mention, anxiety and depression are one more thing. You can do one thing, just padabhyangam we say. General, just little lukewarm oil you can take, and any kind of oil, especially tilatailam, that is zizaman oil, is very, very beneficial. You can just do feet massage. For at least it will help you to have proper sleep after the post COVID and all. You will feel much better. It's not a exact medication, but it's a kind of relief you may be benefited with. Next thing, you can even do, the thing is like, do breathing exercises. Than breathing exercises, inhale exhalation is very, very important, because inhalation will be in a drooping stage. It will be like the values will be not proper. So after the post COVID and all. And one more thing, even if you're not affected with COVID, okay, you might not be affected with COVID, but it is airborne as it is mentioned so by the researchers and all. Better you follow a dhupana karma in your home, like some amount of herbs. Aparajita dhupanam is actually available in the markets and all. You can take that. If not, you can just take some cow dung cakes and just make it into heat, okay, hot it, burn it, then add some amount of nimba churnam, that is nimba churnam is called as neem patonka churn, that one, anything like that, you can go. But fumigation will be done automatically. It will be helpful in both way. And finally, would like to conclude the video today. Better not to consume high protein diet, and don't get panic. First, try to eradicate the infection, and that's why better follow a proper Ayurvedic doctor. For sure, I will help each and every patient. You can just contact me, and you can just have a consultation with me for sure. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.